Hello and welcome to my first video tutorial. Uh, I'll be giving you an introduction to building dynamic websites with Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. Um, my name is Chemem Bruno Michael. As you can see, the application I have created here, yeah, it's a bit custom. You will notice having a slight image there. That's the title I gave it. This is an image of me with my name, Chemem Bruno Michael, my email address, and my Twitter handle to help for feedback. I am a web developer, though not certified. I am a habitual gamer, and I am Ugandan. So, yes, I think you get the picture now. So, I will be taking you through a course I have seemingly prepared just to disseminate my knowledge. I have been studying online for some time now and felt it best to share my knowledge, impart the skills on other people. I have a presentation lined up to give you a brief introduction to dynamic and static requests. You might want to take note of what I am about to say, as it is imperative you fully understand the content of this introduction. Now I'll head over to Microsoft PowerPoint and start the animation from beginning. Yes, this is an image of myself, which I'm Bruno Michael. Huh? Now, what a dynamic web page is. Uh, Dynamic. I will start with a static web page because static web pages are what you've seen if you have some experience working with HTML. It's what your teacher probably taught you to build. I will I will show you I will demonstrate what static and dynamic web pages can be. Yes, I know you're queuing up for the practical demonstrations, which will further define this course. Oh, sorry. I rendered the PowerPoint presentation to accommodate slides for 30 seconds. Forgive me. Uh, yes, so dynamic web pages they require server-side inclusions as opposed to the usual static requests of a basic web page. Well, what the first statement means is that dynamic dynamic requests, as you can see in structure of requests, are a little bit detailed. I mean, this area here, yes, quite a detail to it. Yeah, no, that's not what you should conceptualize. That's not what you should have in mind. I will throw more explanation. I'll elucidate further. uh, Now, what these static and dynamic inclusions mean. Now, when you look at this slide, you see a folder with HTML pages. That is your static content. That is your average web page, with no sign up forms, no sign in forms, probably a couple of tabbed panels, and information. Yes, information. Let's see, a few downloads available using the Ahref hyperlinks, yes, to attach files to the page. Yeah, it's your basic web page. Now, dynamic pages, yes, require server-side scripting and the use of databases. Wow, I know, yes, it's a lot to take in right now. You probably know what a database is. Placeholder for records, um, yes, and also an area for data storage at that. So you notice with server-side scripting, you're going to use server-side languages to get information from the databases and convey to users in your web page. Yes, convey to your users in your web pages, end users here. A web server is the conduit. It hosts the web pages. You must have heard people talking about hosting. Yes, web server hosts your web pages and enables users to query those web pages via DNS in their browsers. Now, you notice application servers, Yes, application servers are, yes, where the balance server-side languages, server-side scripting is handled, as well as, yes, the dynamic content from our first go. Our first go, you might note you might notice, is a company that allows for cloud sharing, cloud creation, cloud sharing. So that means you can save your dynamic files, and you can save your dynamic files for server-side processing. It, in the essence of the fact, simulates a testing environment. Yeah, I will get to that a bit later in the course. You will be able to fully understand uh, what a testing environment can be to be can be. Yeah. So yes, web pages, just like any other web pages with dynamic content, and I will show you what dynamic content actually is, because there needs to be some practicality. I can't expose you to something you can't fully understand, something you can't fully make meaning of. You probably own accounts at say Google. Yes, you probably own accounts at Google, at Yahoo, MSN, which is now Windows Live. Yes. Um, Now this section here on this slide uh, shows you exactly what dynamic data can be. Yes, index lists that pop up on web portals and search engines. Web portals and search engines are synonymous. There's a great deal of synonymy to them. However, there's a slight difference. Forgive me, slideshow ended 30 seconds. This is bad. No, no, I will keep going. Sorry. Yeah, where were we? Yeah, dynamic content, sign in and sign up forms. When you're signing up for an account at MSN, an account at Yahoo, you will need to sign up and sign in, and that all goes to the database and application servers, where probably programmers on one end, programmers and web developers fixed fixed database code and database queries using something like PHP or something like JavaScript, to enable you enter the values, values such as username, last name, you know, username and last name, to have more meaning and grant you access to the members area, which is your which has uh, um, email functionality attached to it. Also, text in article headers. You might go to websites that have that have article content, useful content that is seemingly refreshed and displayed in reverse chronological order. That is in blogs, reverse chronological order. That is newest first. Forgive the term. Yeah, newest first, and then index lists. Say for instance, you type in a keyword for meta search in Google or in Yahoo. You get a list of results that are paged, and that is still dynamic content. Yeah, amazing, amazing. So this is a brief preamble. I hope it has been a brief preamble. So please be sure to leave a few comments on the channel, and please get back to me, as I value feedback, I must say. Otherwise, thank you for watching.